Oh my God, that's so awesome. Hey everybody, welcome back. If it's your first time, welcome to the channel. I bought a TRX supercharged 6.2 liter 702 horsepower truck, and I use it for work. Did I destroy my Ram TRX already? I don't know. I'm not planning on destroying it, but I'm planning on having a lot of fun and using it for work. This video is going to be about using this truck on the daily as a regular. I'm going to show you what it's like towing my work trailer compared to towing it with my Ram 1500 Bighorn. Seems to be the same to me, except for this is a lot more fun. So stay tuned for the rest of the content on trailer towing. All right. Oh, it's so muddy. Wow, it is so muddy out here. I've got mud everywhere. It's probably too muddy. Wonder if I can make it up this hill. No problem. This truck is awesome. I'm gonna let it dry up a little bit. I don't quite want to get it that muddy that quick. So we're gonna call her good there. Let me know if you want to see more off-roading. So this is all stuff out of my other work truck, which was a Ram 1500 Bighorn, 5.7, plenty of power to tow. Let's see the fuel mileage difference. Any comments on me using it for work, let me know. do an acceleration. Are you ready? With the trailer. Not bad. There's a state trooper with somebody pulled over there. Not bad. I hit, well, you've seen probably 85, 90 pretty quickly. I'm wondering if maybe not all the horsepower is available since it's a new truck. It kind of doesn't feel like 700 horsepower, I can tell you that much. But it is a 5,000 pound truck, and I do have a pretty heavy trailer. I mean, it's not really heavy. It's 12 feet, and it's not full. So I don't know. But it's still impressive, and it sounds amazing. And I filled up. I'm at 74.2 miles, and I'm still at 7.4 miles per gallon average. And it does change. Like, I know I used to think with my other truck that once it figures out the average, that's it. But no, it does change depending on how you're driving it. And so we'll see if it changes, or at least, you know, my 2018 Ram changed. So we'll see if this one changes. I can't really do another acceleration because they've actually put out an announcement that the State Patrol is partnering with the Sheriff's Department, and they're cracking down on speeders. Right when I get my truck. Like, literally, on the route that I take, they're cracking down on speeders. Now, it's not my fault. They, you know, are slow to do things, so it has nothing to do with me flying up and down this highway. Pretty sure. But super excited. Using this thing for work makes it fun to go to work. And I think I'll catch back up with you here in a little bit when I can do another acceleration. We'll go from 20 to 65-ish. Not bad. Again, it doesn't feel like 700 horsepower, but definitely not bad. Here's the modes. I don't know if you can see it with the reflection. The modes that everything is activated in. All you gotta do is push that TRX button, and that's what you get. God, this thing sounds good. We're gonna go in the fire department and turn around. And then we'll do another pull. More from about 0 miles an hour. As close to 0 as we can get. That was 60. Nice. Does really well. Can't really complain, but again, it does not feel like 700 horsepower. I'm wondering if the horsepower is limited due to it being a new vehicle, and you probably shouldn't drive it like that. Total truck. That's where we get our accessories. All right, we'll do another pull from maybe passing like 60 or 50 to 80. We're gonna do a 0 to 60 pull, pulling a trailer with the Ram TRX in tow mode. All right, we gotta do this quick. So let's go. Okay, so everything in my trailer is probably now up against the back door, even though it was all bolted down, but not bad. That is the most horsepower I've felt so far. Makes me wonder if the tires are spinning or traction control kicks in or something, but that felt like 700 horsepower. That was insane. So I got nothing but good things to say about this truck. I got up to 7.5 miles to the gallon while towing. Like I said, my Ram Bighorn, it got 8.4 miles to the gallon, I believe, 8.5. So I told you I was gonna double check my whatever instrument readout. I don't know, it says distance, average miles per gallon, all of that stuff. I forget what it's called, but either way, I'm towing with the Ram 1500 Bighorn with the 5.7 in it, and I want to compare it to my TRX. Like you saw there, I'm at 200 miles. My average mile per gallon is 8.6, and that's in the Ram 1500, and average mile an hour is 21 miles an hour. So I don't know how it figures that in, because I'm usually on the highway more than anything. No idea. Elapsed time is 9 hours. So 9 hours, 204 miles, 8.6 miles per gallon. So let's see what that's like in the Ram TRX. So that's not bad. I'm back down to 7.4. I just noticed. So might have something to do with floor in it. But the acceleration with this trailer is insane. I wouldn't recommend it. It's probably not the best on the transmission, but it is what it is. So we'll see what else we can do with this thing. What other fun stuff. Overall, I've been kind of playing with the modes. I've been kind of adjusting all of the seats and the mirrors and everything like that, playing with the moonroof. It's been fun. There's a lot of stuff on this truck. I have no idea what it all is. The TRX button's pretty cool. That just takes you straight to the modes. That's awesome. It also has a lot of like satellite radio stuff. I have no idea, but let's just cruise for a while. This thing is a blast. I don't know if you can hear the supercharger whine, but man, it sounds so awesome. Hear that? Just amazing. This road is the worst as far as bumpy. I mean, it's treacherous. They don't even maintain this road in the winter for like a couple days. It's like a small little county. They service all their own stuff, but whatever. So 2 days I will be taking this truck off-road and having some fun with it, going sideways, doing all that fun stuff. Might even, jump it through a bonfire. I don't know. So if you want to see some of that stuff, make sure you like and subscribe and follow me for more Ram TRX content. I'm going to try to upload like every other day, but it's difficult because I got to pay for this thing. Just starting out on YouTube, so it's kind of tough. 65 mile an hour is not hard to do in this. So I just filled up today for the first time since I've had the truck, and it was $85. I wasn't completely empty, but you got to use premium fuel. So I was told 85 bucks. Decent chunk of change. It's beautiful out here. Let's get some more supercharger wine going. just love this thing. Got a trailer, so gonna have to slow down for the corners. I mean, I could just imagine flinging this trailer around with the power of this truck. I mean, you could just do it so easily. Just slide it around corners. Because the truck's heavy. I mean, it's not going to go anywhere. The trailer's not as heavy. Sorry if this is bouncy, guys. Let me know in the comments what you think of this road. If it's just too bouncy, I won't film anymore on this road. But I need to know, so let me know. I'm sure it's bouncy. Oh my God, I know it's bouncy. I have a, hold on, let me try some. See if this is any better. Fast. She's real fast. I feel like more horsepower is becoming available day after day. Like it's kind of breaking in, it's giving me more. This is my home stretch right here. I've done many IROC burnouts. Many of an IROC burnout here. Gas. I hope you can hear that supercharger. That's all for today. I'm gonna check out. Appreciate you watching. I hope you watched all the way through. Like I said, in a couple days I'm gonna do some off-roading right out here on the property. I've got a pond there, and I might jump the truck through a bonfire. Let me know if you're interested in seeing that. Never know. Comment down below what I can improve on. Appreciate you watching. Over and out.